Hello, teacher.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Win. My name is Win.
Okay, Win. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay, so now, Win, we're going to look at staying healthy. Okay, we are going to look at staying healthy. All right, so I'm going to ask
Yes.
you the first question. Okay, how do you stay healthy?
I play. I eat healthy food to stay healthy.
Okay, you eat healthy foods to stay healthy. All right, the next one, how often do you eat healthy food?
I eat healthy food twice a week.
Okay, that's nice. You eat healthy food twice a week. Okay, so now this part we are going to move to listening and answering. Okay, you're going to listen and answer the question. Okay, so now look at this picture. All right, what does she do to stay healthy?
Mm, she do morning exercise to stay healthy.
Okay, the next one, how does he stay healthy?
He stay healthy. He plays sports to stay healthy.
He plays sports to stay healthy. That's nice. And this one, what does she do to stay healthy?
Mm, she drink rich fruit to stay healthy.
Okay, the next one, what does he do to stay healthy?
He eats healthy food to stay healthy.
Okay, so now here we are going to look at our health. Okay, we are going to talk about our health. All right. So now here, I want you to read this, okay? What should you do when you are not well?
When you have when when you have a headache, you should have a rest. You should take some medicine, and you should not some medicine, and you should not watch too much TV.
Okay? So now, mean, right? This word here is pronounced medicine.
Medicine,
Medicine.
medicine,
Okay? One more time. Medicine.
medicine.
Okay? So now I want you to read this part for me. What should you do when you are not well?
When you have a toothache, you should go to the dentist. You should brush your teeth regularly, and you should not eat ice cream very often.
Okay? So now, Ben, let's pronounce this word together. All right? Toothache.
Toothache,
No, ache.
ache,
Ache.
ache,
Okay, let's go again. Toothache.
toothpaste,
Ache. Letter K. Okay, ache.
ache,
Again, ache. Can you speak louder? Ache.
ache,
Letter K. Ache.
ache,
One more time. Ache.
ache,
Ache.
ache,
One more time. Ache.
ache,
Okay, toothache.
toothache,
Ache.
ache.
I want to hear the sound of letter K. All right, letter K sound. All right, toothache.
Toothache.
Yes, let's pronounce it again. Toothache.
Toothache.
All right. So now let's read this part again, Tim. Tim, let's read. What should you do when you are not well?
When you have a toothache, you should go to the dentist. You should brush your teeth regular, regu-
Regularly.
regularly. When and you should not eat ice cream very often.
Okay. The last one here. What should you
When
do
you
when you are not well?
when you have a sore throat, you should go to the doctor. You should rinse your mouth with salt water. You should not drink cold water.
Okay, that's nice. All right. So now let's move to the next one. Okay. So now here I'm going to ask you questions and I want you to answer the questions. Okay. What's the matter with him?
He has a stomach.
He has a stomach what?
He has a stomach ache.
He has a stomach ache. All right. The next
Yes.
one, what's the matter with her?
She has a toothache.
She has a toothache. All right. What should she do?
She should go to the dentist.
She should go to the dentist. Okay. Now look at this. What's the matter with her?
She has a headache.
She has a headache. All right. She has a headache.
She had a headache.
What should she do?
She should have a rest.
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 Okay. She should have a rest. So the
She
last,
should rest.
okay. The last one. What's the matter with him?
He has a sore throat.
What should he do?
He should drink warm water.
Okay, he should drink warm water. All right. So thank you for joining the class, Ben. I'll see you some other time. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Yes, goodbye, Tim.